Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi K70 and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. Firstly, open Settings application. In it we look for Apps Management and there Manage Apps. And there we have a list of our all application. And there we must look for application which we want to clear. In my case it will be maybe no Gmail but home application and their storage. Now to clean only cache we press there and click on clear cache, confirm by OK, and we clear only cache. We can also clear all data by tap there and confirm by OK. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.